Hello guys, welcome back to the channel or welcome to the channel. So today we are going to see how you can change the template of your org, the page template of your lightning page. So for that I have already opened my org. I have logged into my developer org. So you just have to go to the setup, this gear icon, and go to edit page. After you go to your home page, Lightning App Builder page, you can see template here and you can click on change. Once you click on change, there will be a pop-up for selecting three types of templates. One is header and three regions, which will provide one header and three different columns, or we can call them regions also. Then there is home template one region, and this is one region template for your home page. Then we have the standard home page. Usually this you can see in your org, but for this demo I will be changing to the first one, header and three regions. Once we click on it, you can click on next, and I have selected my language as Japanese, so it's coming as Japanese. I'll change it later, but for your reference, this is the current region is getting mapped to the new region, and these are the names of the components. Click on done, and within the Lightning App Builder you will be able to see where your components are placed now. So I'm gonna just drop them here real quick. That's all. Click on save. So this is, as you can see, this is our header section and these are our three columns. We'll go back to my home page. See, so this is how you can change the template of your home page or any other page. Record page also you can change the template. So I hope you liked the video, and if you like the video, you can like the video and subscribe to the channel. Leave a comment if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you. Goodbye.